How does a performance lifestyle help you make the appropriate adjustments and learn how to apply these fundamentals of successful living? It starts with a profound and wholesale shift in how you see and understand energy. Matter of fact, the entire concept of lifestyle. First, you learn the secrets of optimal energy, also known as Performance Living 101, so you can incorporate the vital insights that give rise to a new lifestyle. Then, by restructuring your life and style of living to address all of the essentials, consciously and meticulously closing all the gaps, we turn your downward energy spiral into fluid forward motion. We provide the information, programs, coaching, and tools that teach you how to think, see, and act like an athlete, and build a performance lifestyle that thoroughly serves your game and your goals. We figure out what game you're playing, and then you get everything you need to play it at the highest level and reach the height of your potential. You learn to act like an athlete who's preparing for an event. You align your lifestyle with a holistic, across-the-board strategy for achieving your goals, and you begin to live a life in which you stay fit for that. Not for the sake of it, not out of guilt, not because your doctor told you to, not because a magazine or your husband or wife said you should. You'll do it out of a joyful, focused, intentional ambition and alignment with your highest purpose. Everything is informed by and oriented around managing your energy, eating, exercise, planning, and focusing ... on your goals. Because when your lifestyle is aligned with your goals, everything falls into place. So you know exactly what to do, you know how to do it, and you know why you're doing it, so you do it. A performance lifestyle is a life you've known down deep is possible, but has eluded you until now. When you live a balanced and healthy performance lifestyle, you'll no longer be held back from your goals, your dreams, or life itself. You won't be plagued by stress, lack of endurance, energy deficits, sleep issues, negative psychology, insufficient support, a lack of balance, unclear expectations, or elusive purpose. You'll be charging and recharging on every cylinder, with every aspect of your lifestyle working in seamless and harmonious concert for whole life performance. You'll know your game and your goals with crystal clarity, and you'll know how to resolve your challenges, evolve with new skills, and achieve your goals while living in balance with vibrant health and peace of mind. Get ready to renew your personal power with the essential energy and lifestyle performance you need to achieve success without the distress so many of us tolerate every day. Learn more about living a performance lifestyle and how to take the steps to make it a reality for yourself and maybe your team. My name is John Allen Mollenhauer. My friends call me John Allen or Jam, and I hope you'll be calling me that soon too. And I really look forward to helping you get into a performance lifestyle you can call your own.